From my personal experience, I visited many countries, including France. Frankly, I did not like this country, especially since I visited many countries and got to know many cultures, and this remains my opinion. Tastes and opinions differ. Although I do not advise people to go to this country, it is possible to visit much better countries within the European continent, such as Spain, Sweden, Denmark, and Finland, which we will talk about in the upcoming episodes. I will give you the best cities and places that you can visit in France.